To cancel an order on Temu application, you have to follow the simple steps. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Temu application on your mobile device. And after that, open the Temu app or website and then enter your login credentials. After that, you have to find your orders or order history section in the menu to see the list of your recent purchases. For that, click on the U icon in the bottom and then tap on your orders option. Now choose the order to cancel. Identify the order you wish to cancel and then click on it to see the details such as items, payments, and shipping status. After that, if the cancellation is possible, you will see a cancel order button. Then click on it to follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. After a successful cancellation, you will receive a notification or email confirming the cancellation. Refunds, when applicable, will be returned to your original payment method. Remember that you can only cancel orders that has not been shipped yet, and if the order has already been shipped, cancellation is not an option. For shipped orders, you must accept the delivery and then request a return according to the Temu's return policy. And if you have any questions or issues, contact the Temu's customer support for help and assistance. By acting quickly and checking your order status regularly, you can prevent delays or complications. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. So this was all about